Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Atika. Brand Atika is from United Arab Emirates. This is another Middle Eastern brand, and I unboxed and reviewed one of their fragrances before and it was impressive. That's why I got another one. So let's see how this one goes. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you encourage me, you motivate me, you help me to make videos in the future like this, to bring you bargain fragrances, amazing bargain fragrances. And also your help would take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you very much for your support. Let's go. So this one in particular called Kamil Hekaya, in Arabic means the full story. And as you can see, another very good looking box. As usual, the Middle Eastern brands, they give you everything plus their kitchen sink for their price. This is again 100 ml eau de parfum, is targeted unisex and is under £30. If you do your research, you can find it under £30, sometimes a little bit cheaper, but it's not readily available for some reason, so you need to do your research and be patient. In other countries, same story. You need to do your research and see if it's available and how much. So, sorry about the noise, let's go. Very good looking box, look at that. The design of it is beautiful. Very good looking, okay. And the bottle itself is good looking too. Look at that. As always, they never disappoint. Very, very heavy bottle, as you can see, beautiful red color, deep red. And let's see how it goes with the cap is quite weight to it, and the atomizer is modern and golden. Here we go. Very good atomizer, gives a big mist, very good. Okay, so how is the Kamil Hekaya by Atika eau de parfum 100 ml, target unisex? And this one, let's see how is the story of it. Here we go. First sniff, first impression. Ooh, gorgeous, mamma mia. I'm telling you, these Middle Eastern houses, they do wonders. Beautiful, bang in the middle, unisex, anybody can wear. Fruity, the coloring is quite accurate. It's very red fruit. I smell something like berries, maybe raspberry, or even a strawberry. It's very spicy. The spice is saffron, and also I'm getting a little bit of incense. Definitely floral, and the floral is rose, and also I can smell something like a green, maybe it's a carnation in here. It's quite green, floral. Maybe it's a carnation, maybe it's a yellow flower. It's quite a floral body to it as well. Sweet, the sweetness most likely is come from vanilla, because I can smell something like vanilla in the base, but for now it is quite sweet. Very smooth, very rounded. It smells like sandalwood to me, so it's quite woody, but the woods here very, very smooth, very rounded. Smells like sandalwood, smells like cedar to some extent, but at the moment the biggest players are the spices and also the incense and the florals. Yeah, I can smell something like woody feel to it, but at the moment it's in the background. It could come up more later on, but so far amazing, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I can smell something earthy as well. Maybe there is patchouli in here because it's a bit earthy, little bit of chocolatey feel to it. Yeah, little bit earthy, little bit chocolatey, woody, woody, ambery. The amber is quite deep and resinous in here. It's quite very, very resinous, spicy, saffron, rose. Definitely, I can smell rose, but it's not a typical combination of rose and oud. No, but I can smell it in the background right now. Fruity, definitely. The fruits as here are red, as the coloring suggests. It's a red color. It's like a strawberry, raspberry, berries, maybe even a little bit of red apple in here. Beauty, I'm telling you, it's just mesmerizingly pretty. Yeah, definitely bang in the middle. Anybody can wear it, women and men. It's one of those fragrances that anybody can wear. Better suited for going out, very, very opulent, evening, formal occasion and things like that. In terms of age, 25 and up to be in the safe side because it's very, very oriental, it's very deep, it's very dense, it's very rounded, it's very layered. And in terms of who is it for, this is people who like the oriental fragrance and first and foremost. At the moment it doesn't remind me of anything, or even if it does, I can't remember. Gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful, very, very pretty. So what I get mainly, let me tell you, okay? So I definitely get saffron, definitely incense, very, very floral, especially rose, definitely woody, little bit maybe patchouli, definitely sandalwood because it's very smooth. Fruits are red in here, red apple, red berries, and also earthy and a little bit of smokiness. The smokiness is very minimal at the moment. Overall, it's very, very well done. I absolutely, for the first impression, I give it 2 thumbs up. Yes, yes, yes. Um, every time I think, okay, they can't, do it again, they do it. So this one, Hekaya, no, what is it? Kamil Hekaya means the full story, and is edited per 500 ml. And if you can find it, yes, yes, yes. But let's see how is the performance, because the last one from this brand was very good performer, easily 8 hours plus. So if it's the same performance, yes, 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 2 thumbs up. And I will let you know in the next video development and longevity and things like that. If you have it, if you know it, if you have anything from this brand, let us know your experience. And don't forget to hit those buttons to support me, to motivate me to make videos like this and bring you these amazing fragrances for very low prices. And if you want to buy one of my own fragrances that are out of this world, they are super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, but you need to live in that kingdom. You purchase them, I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.